Are you guys ready?
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing
하루 종일 보겠지 그러면 나는 대체 언제 퇴근하지 퇴근 못하지 내일 수영 가야 하는데 그럼 어떡하지 운동 망했지 이제 만화는 봐야 하는데 만화를 봐야 만화들은 영상이 나오고 직접 채널에 올리고 프로레슬링 봐야 하냐 수영 시중 미쳤어요 수영을 일주일 3번 가는데 그 일주일 3번까지 쉰다는 건 하늘에 돈을 버리는
Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
and his opponent, representing the NWO from Busan, South Korea, weighing in at 210 pounds, the Idol of Princess.
The WWE Universe has been counting the days, hours, and minutes for this match to start, and the countdown is almost over.
This is a match he's craved for quite some time. He's ready and raring to go.
Some have called this superstar a bit too intense, and as we can already see from the look in his eyes, there's a reason why.
In this business, intensity often breeds success, and he is well aware of that.
He's hoping that focus and drive really propel him to success.
Coming into this fight, his opponent's been boasting a new, more aggressive attitude. We'll have to see if that new approach will produce any dividend.
Lifted and completely helpless here.
Launched into a roundhouse kick. Oh, stomping right onto the arm.
Vintage move here.
The Cobra clutch. Elbows trying to free himself, and he escapes. Right to the kidneys from behind.
Oh, he cuts it off. Hoisted up. Ooh, a gut buster.
That was all sorts of nasty.
Springboard off. Disaster kick. Go over the pin early. Throws up the shoulder.
Just not enough damage done yet, Cole.
His stamina is getting tested here.
Yeah, but I don't think he's all too worried at this point in the match.
And with an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind. Uh-oh, he could be looking for a submission. Uh-oh! And retaliates with a counter. Here he goes for the win. Oh, he kicked out.
You have to think this match is starting to take its toll.
Ooh! Ooh, well-planted knee.
Ouch.
Big boot!
Incredible.
Big elbow drop. Uh-oh, second rope.
Nobody home. He gets out of the way. Leg lariat. Ooh.
Oh, look at this. So ruthless. In the corner, target acquired. Shotgun drop kick.
This could do it for the win. Barely kicks out.
Getting that shoulder up now is huge. No idea where this one's heading.
Making his way to the top here. He's making his way to ringside now.
From the top.
Pop right in the stomach creates the separation. Cobra clutch.
The Cobra clutch is in.
In trouble here.
A couple of elbows to the jaw, and that'll break things up. Being carried around now.
Set. That'll rearrange your face.
Oh! Oh, foot just stomping down.
That's gotta hurt.
He's just unloading now, landing every shot he can find.
He is not letting off the gas with this attack.
This is getting awfully close to a count out here.
Sliding back into the ring.
He's ready to show his opponent and the world what he's made of.
Time to end this.
Oh, stop.
No way he's getting up from that.
And going for the pin. What a kick out at two.
I don't know how he just kicked out, and I'll tell you what, I don't really think he knows either.
That was plan A.
Uh-oh.
Double foot stomp. No chance to get up from
And
that.
the cover. Oh, he kicked out.
Are we sure that wasn't three?
Just about as close as you can get.
Will that be the last opportunity? Is there still enough left in these men?
We continue to see incredible perseverance from these competitors.
The war continues to rage on with no superstar willing to give an inch.
Oh, a springboard roundhouse. What a forearm.
To the small of their back.
He's able to reverse it.
There's the heel kick. Ooh.
Uh-oh, second rope. Are you kidding me?
Wow. Guys, that might have been the best moonsault ever.
2 count. Hangs on by a thread.
I thought once he executed that, it was good night.
You have to wonder, how much more can he take?
And high risk. He fails to connect. With the counter.
Oh, man, that was nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway.
What a raucous crowd here tonight. Uh-oh, second rope.
Oh, that might be the best moonsault ever.
I agree. That's it. It's over. He is done.
That's it. The blood and sweat put into this match. Well worth it.
Here is your winner, the Idol,
I'm still in shock.
This was definitely